Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Qeema. The first step is I will add this washed and clean ground beef. So I have added this ground meat in the pot without any oil and adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is 1 pound in weight and around 500 grams. So just mix it. I'm using a non-stick pot or pan you can use. You can also use and make this recipe with mutton or chicken meat. So on high flame, I have to just cook it until it changes its color. Over here, I just took these samosa wrappers out of the freezer, and it has approximately 50 wrappers. I got it from www.samosawrappers.com. They are basically from California. You can just leave it on the kitchen countertop so it can get defrosted in an hour or two. It's still on high flame. I just left it without any oil and just with the ginger garlic paste. Have a look. It has changed its color, and now we will just wait and let it cook on high flame until all its water, all these bubbles, they evaporate and it becomes dry before adding any other spices to it. So friends, have a look. At this point, without any oil, this has changed its color, and now at this point, it's still on medium high. I'm going to add the green chilies, which are finely chopped. They are 2 small chilies. If you like more, you can add more. You can add 3 instead of 2. And now I will add all the dry spices. Now I'm adding the chopped onion. Mix it and cook it for another 2 minutes, and it's still on high flame. Over here, this is exactly 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding this just a little bit and then mixing it together. This recipe calls for very less oil, and when you will just fry it, after filling it in the samosas, when you fry it, you'll just enjoy the taste of it as it is. After 2 minutes, I'm turning off the flame, and I am going to add the coriander leaves and the mint leaves. After 5 to 7 minutes, we'll be adding just the coriander and the mint leaves. So friends, here is the look of it once it's cooled down. I'm adding the mint leaves. I love the green color of these leaves and the addition of them, and the coriander leaves. Both of them, once it's all cooled down, if we add these green leaves while it's hot, usually sometimes I have seen they change their color and they get to a like dark brown or black color. So we have to wait for the mixture, for this Qeema mixture to cool down before adding the green leaves. By adding them at this point, they will retain their fresh green color and their taste. So please taste it and adjust the salt, black pepper or the red chili powder. If you need anything, you can add it at this point. So over here I have 1 tablespoon of water in this bowl, and I am adding this much of all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat, and then I'm gonna mix it to make a paste to seal the samosas. So this is the nice thick consistency which we all need, and in a minute we'll start wrapping the samosas. So now I'll show you how I'm gonna fill it and fold the samosa. So these are all filled and folded. While I kept on making the other samosas, they were kept in a plate so they can get a little crispy, they can get some air, and now I'm gonna start deep frying them. So see you there. And now I'm gonna deep fry these and show you how they look like. Adding some oil for deep frying the samosas. Flame on high. I have lined a plastic basket and them on both sides until they are lightly golden in color and ready to be taken out. And so after deep frying them, have a look how beautiful these samosas they look. You don't have to fry them till dark brown, because once they get a little cooled down, they get more darker, they get more tan. So this is the look which we want. I have clean hands so I can show it to you guys. See how they look. Beautiful. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Try this recipe, enjoy it with your family, share the video with your friends, and till next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. See you guys. Bye bye.